Order underway. Eloy Tan with Val Acuña, Marwin Dionisio, Jackson Corpus, and Kyle Tolentino. 10 points to lead the way for the Jensen Warriors. Jackson Corpus. Ganda ulit ang kanyang game number 2 para dito sa Jensen. Bola na salba. Tolentino, pinasa palabas.
Short.
Had to double clutch it. Jackson Corpus. Alex Cabagnot. Yung pasa papunta kay Kyle Tolentino. Left that one short though. Counter attack by Basilan. Hoson, pinasa kay Cabagnot. Nice pass down low. Tempra nalunod pero nandun si Arwin Santos.
Nobody inside the paint. They are just allowing guys that open space inside. There is always that one pass more that would give you. They want to generate that closeout and attack going downhill without any help inside the paint coming from Basilan. And
Alex Cabagnot, nahanap si James Tempra na igapang
deceiving yung frame ni James Tempra.
Oo.
You like to think madaling itulak sa loob pero baga nga kontra-tiyempo pag dinipensahan mo siya.
Alex Cabagnot.
Good matchup.
Fires a free. It is in. The crunch man with a big time free. And then away from the basketball, something happened.
So that was a simple move from, I'd like to think, from simple grind. Mark Cruz going under that screen. Eh, alam mo naman si Alex Cabagnot. No, he's always very crafty. Read that defense perfectly well, and the moment that Mark Cruz
Mabot ng game free ito, you don't want an ejection and a possible suspension.
Game 1, had it not been for that
Alex Cabagnot, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Nice pass. Tempra though bumbles it, but recovers just in the neck. And highlight instead, Acuña off that flare screen by Dionisio.
yeah, 3 points. 3 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists.
For the Basilan Star Horse as Jensen commits a turnover. Dalawang player nagpasahan doon. Man of the game, born for greatness. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Whether you're here in the venues, on live stream, on our official MPBL YouTube channel.
Ng depensa ng Warriors, talagang everything almost on a scramble.
Wow, Nico Elordes. Skipping it to Eman Calo. Calo got popped from behind.
Glass on that finish.
Eman.
Bilis ng ball and man movement nila, and they really speed up the game on the half court. And Nico Elordes trying to face up.
Duyak Corpus in between, acting as an enforcer.
And tama lang yung ginawa ni Corpus at saka ni Adi Santos. You don't need this, especially if this is...
Promotor agad, kita nyo, siya pa yung pumigil.
Ay, bakit si Adi Santos rin naman, grupo ng mga taga-Bacolod. Maganda yung mga liga. Nice pass!
Adi Santos sa loob, may foul na naman laban sa Jensen.
I felt he was crucial, especially in the first half. Because pretty much yung mga puntos niya.
Almost a double-double in game number 1. Actually, 15 puntos sila dyan ni Arwin Santos. Dalawang Santos, combining for 30 points in game number 1.
Kaya nga sabi namin, ang ganda ng Santos and Santos combination ng game na yun para sa Basilan. And right now, the 3 points has really been silent for quite a while para dito sa Jensen.
Isa rin yan sa naging sandata nila in the elimination phase. That 3-point shot,
Galing, Galing ng dampot, no?
Na naging tamang desisyon naman dahil nagka-championship naman sila with Happy, no?
Oo naman.
Ay, Marwin Dionisio with a strong take. Dionisio, hard foul.
That's a hard foul.
Shoot 2 shots.
And so far, ang nagiging difference maker pa rin for this game is really the support they're getting off the bench.
And they close out the third with
Onya knocking it down and everything else really coming from the paint para dito sa Jensen Warriors.
66-54.